Oh, let me try this one. Ano kaya ito? Baka kayamanan. Mga basyong botse. But anyway, oh, this one is kasirola. Oh, laki pa rin tayo. Imagine that kasirola. Sabi ko na nga ba, merong ginto. Pag may tiyaga, meron kang nilaga. Well, but now, yes, mga Dapper Guys, welcome back to ating channel. Yes, ang channel ni Queen Angel, ang laking marangal in Korea. And of course, pag pagbago ka lang sa channel ko, you can subscribe and comment down below. Yeah, today is very special day. Meron po tayong chance para gawa ng vlog. Today, ang ating vlog is dumpster diving.
Now, there's nowhere to hide since you're pushing my
sa pag-dumpster diving, nawili ako sa pamamasura because there's a lot of items na pwedeng mapakinabangan or something like we can recycle, like the plastic and of course the box paper and of course something like the wood, like some furniture or some electronics. Yes, like imagine that before naka-jackpot din ako, mahal kong kaibigan na. Yes, ng mga gamit and of course protein powder na 2 years pa na ma-expired. Yes, once again, good evening, good morning, it's everyone, welcome to Korea and of course sa buong mundo, sa po natin mga traffickers, sa po ng all W in the whole world. Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, and right in here in Korea, in Asia, in Europe, yes, and of course dumpster diving na trending din yan sa Amerika, sa Europa, sa Switzerland, Netherlands, and all over the world. Yes, may pera sa basura and there's a free items and of course a lot of free. So right now we're gonna go in there sa little bit more na bigger na garbage na pinagtatapunan nila. Yes, so like, I'm gonna take a walk in there. Kaganda po ng panahon and of course maganda ka pa sa panahon and of course the weather is so nice and it was not so cold for today. Dumpster diving. Yes, dumpster diving, it mean garbage. Yes, it mean like there's a treasure in the garbage, there's a money in the garbage, there's a free items. Right now I'm walking, go to the garbage section or to the garbage place, like in the Philippines, like Smoky Mountain. Wala naman Smoky Mountain in here because they recycle everything in here, even all the leftover food and of course the plastic and of course the paper and like the everything na mayroong good items in there. But in here, so eto, tinatapon kaya nila ito? Pwede ko kayang i-dumpster o padala sa Pilipinas ito. Sayang naman, ba't tinapon in here? Wow, naka-jackpot ko na ito. No, I'm only joking. So we're gonna go try in here. So, nothing in here. Basi Queen Angel. Wow! This is like a phone case. Imagine that. Wow, baka may ginto dito. Buksan ko lang siya. But, cannot use this one. So, ito karatula. But anyway, there's nothing in here. So lilipat ako sa kabilang ibayo. Imagine that the motorcycle that throw in the garbage. Wow, sangka pa. Ganun kayaman ang bansang ito. Motorcycle lang tinapon, di ba? So let's go find out sa other garbage place. Mga jobber, kasi I'm in here. I'm not lucky in there, so let's find out in here. Lalo naman nakatira dito, they are rich people, so mga yamanin. So I'm gonna in here. So I think wala, but it's okay, some boxes. So wala tayo napapakinabangan. What's this? Wala, nothing in here. So wala. Meron na siguro, I think I'm not lucky for today, but meron nakauna sa akin. So let's go other place. area I'm not lucky. Ika nga, if you have a patience, there's a happiness. Pag may tiyaga, meron kang nilaga. And of course, pag meron kang isinugsok, meron kang madudukot. It mean love stories for things. Like sometimes when we touch, parang basura, parang pag-ibig din yan. Because it's Monday for today, but it's alright. Siyempre content din. So nagpunta ako in here. I'm always jackpot before in here. Naka-jackpot ako ng mga TV in here. At saka naka-jackpot din ako ng free ano dito. So right in here. So eto mga garbage. So let's go see in here kung anong meron mapapakinabangan. So I think meron nang nauna sa akin. Wow, I'm not lucky for today, but it's okay. Ganun lang ang buhay. So right in here, this almost like recycle. Ito, what's this? I think just a paper bag. I'm not lucky for today, just a paper bag. So I'm not lose hope. Let me try in here. So nothing. This all we do is I'm gonna visit in the church. I'm not feel lucky for today, but anyway, we feel blessed because nakapagsimba ako. So I'm in here other garbage. Yeah, so let's check it out kung ano mapapakinabangan. So that's why in here. So it's good. Ang plastic they throw in here. Eto. Halos, but it's okay. Wala, but it's alright. Ito. Expired na. Walang laman. Dito ako sa kabila. Because this one, ano naman siya. So iikot ako. So well anyway, let's try it. Ba't tinapon nila itong rice cooker? I think it's wala na. I think tinapon nila but sira na. But it's okay, pwede natin gawin itong refrigerator. Na only joking. So wala for today. Oh, let me try this one. Ano kaya ito? Baka kayamanan. Mga basyong bote. But anyway, oh, this one is kasirola. Oh, laki pa rin tayo. Imagine that kasirola. Sabi ko na nga ba, merong ginto. Pag may tsaga, meron kang nilaga. Well, but anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. It's your Kuya to never talk to share my story, ang aking dancing experience right in Kura. Subscribe, leave comment down below. I love you all.